What's up, y'all? Y'all here with Fantasee Carey, aka Nah, and y'all are watching the What's Cooking Show. Okay, so first what we did was preheat the oven to 350 for the barbecue chicken, and yes, my mom started cleaning the chicken without me. These are all the seasonings that we're going to use for the fry and barbecue chicken. Okay, so now we're just going to add a little bit of olive oil and some cornstarch. So what we're going to do is we're just going to mix it. Plus this for the barbecue chicken, so yes, we're laying it in a pan. And now we're just going to pop that in the oven. Okay, on to the fried chicken. We're just going to season it like we did the barbecue chicken. Okay, so we're definitely going to need some flour. Okay, so now we're just pouring the vegetable oil, and then we're going to turn our eye on to about 5. Okay, so now we're just adding cornstarch, garlic, and seasoning salt to the flour. Okay, so this is me now. So basically what I'm doing is putting the flour on the front of the chicken, and then the back of the chicken, and yeah, so on. Okay, so this is me putting the chicken face down inside of the pot of oil. So now we're just gonna let the chicken fry, do what it do. Yeah. And I'm not stirring the chicken, I am flipping the chicken. Now we're just gonna let that cook.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we're finally back. You want to make sure you get all the oil off of the chicken and put it in your basket. Did I just call that a basket? Whatever you put it in. Okay, on to the barbecue chicken. What we're going to do is we're going to put barbecue sauce on the chicken right after we take it out of the oven. Put it on a plate and you're done. You just learned how to make fried chicken and barbecue chicken at the same time on What's Cooking. Till next time.